United States appear to be pulling back from Iran's nearby waters, while Iran is quietly getting ready for something bigger. Right now, only about the 12 US ships remaining in the active in the Gulf region. At the same time, Iran has increased the activity naval fleet from 29 ships to 32. These changes may look small, but military terms, it matters a lot. The US aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln is still present, but it is now patrolling the Arabian Sea instead of staying closer to the Iran's coast. This means fewer American ships are directly inside of the Gulf. Many experts believe that this shows caution. Washington may be trying to avoid a direct clash while keeping the strong presence nearby. Iran, on the other hand, seems to be sending a clear signal. Over the past weeks, Tehran has added new ships to its navy. Some reports say that these include newer destroyers and support vessels. Well, these ships are designed for different missiles like patrol, defenses, and fast responses, while Iran has not made loud announcements, but the action speaks volumes. This situation has created a quiet naval standoff. On one side, the US reducing the visible pressure on the Gulf but staying ready for the deeper waters, and on the other hand, Iran is slowly expanding its reach closer to the home. Both sides appear alert. Both sides are watching very closely. So, why is this happening now? Well, tensions between the US and Iran have been rising again over the regional security, shipping routes, and military warnings. Why now this? Well, the Gulf is one of the most important waterways in the world. So, any trouble here can affect the oil supply, global trade, and also the energy prices. So, by keeping fewer ships in the Gulf, US may be trying to lower the risk of sudden incidents. But by adding more ships, Iran may be showing the strength and the readiness without firing a single shot. So for now, there is no open conflict, but the moment of the ships, and also it all comes together to tell a different story. This is a careful positioning. One wrong move and this could change everything. Is this a step back to avoid war, or a quiet setup before a bigger confrontation? Well, all eyes are now on the United States and Iran. We will keep tracking you with each and every tense naval change game. So stay with TimesXP. Thanks for watching.